Watch me as I take basic ingredients and turn them into amazing chicken fried rice on the Pit Boss Griddle. In this video, I'm going to show you my chicken fried rice on the Pit Boss Griddle recipe transforms simple pantry staples into an awesome main course. It's perfect for busy weeknights or when you're craving takeout but want something homemade. If you're ready to master this classic dish with a few easy steps, then stick around. And trust me, once you try this version, you'll never go back to takeout. Now, if you ever wanted to impress your friends with a dish that looks fancy but is simple as pie, you're in the right place. Check out this lineup. We got some huge chicken breasts, frozen peas and carrots, because who has time to chop them? Chopped onions for that savory kick, and of course, eggs to bind everything all together. And we'll be using some fluffy jasmine rice, some teriyaki sauce for sweetness, soy sauce for depth, and don't forget sesame seeds and green onions to add that final touch. And let's be real, this recipe is all about speed and flavor, so I'm keeping it casual with a few prepped ingredients, like day-old rice and frozen vegetables. Now, let's kick things off by cooking our chicken. I've got these diced chicken breasts here, and let me tell you, they are perfect for this dish because they cook up quickly and stay juicy. Now I'm adding a dash of pepper, some teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, along with some sesame oil. Instead of the usual oil, I'm going for a bit of tallow. Why? Because it's got a higher smoke point and it gives the chicken an incredible flavor. And here's a tip. For that perfect sear, make sure your griddle is at a medium-high heat. You want it hot enough to create a nice crust, but not so hot that you're going to burn everything. Keep an eye on your chicken. Once those pieces start to turn golden brown, you know you're on the right track. And remember, patience is key. No need to crowd the griddle. Give the chicken some space to breathe. We want it to cook evenly and get that beautiful caramelization. Feel free to chop up the chicken to even smaller pieces so that they're more manageable for the kiddos. All right, as you can see, we've got our chicken sizzling away. It is now time to bring in some color and crunch. Let's saute our vegetables. I'm adding some chopped onions. Give them a little bit more of that tallow to help them caramelize. Then add some teriyaki, some soy sauce, and some sesame oil, just like you did the chicken. And then add your frozen veggies. And sometimes we need shortcuts. That's why I'm using frozen vegetables. They're quick and convenient. Give those veggies a good toss. Let them mingle with the chicken for a minute because we want everything to get cozy and blend together nicely. Now it's time for the rice. It's been drying out in the refrigerator overnight and it's just waiting to get cozy on the griddle. Now for a little flavor boost, I'm drizzling in some of that soy sauce and teriyaki, just enough to make it savory without drowning it. And here comes the sesame oil. But listen, this stuff is potent. A little goes a long way. For extra richness, add some butter. Give everything a good stir, and at this point you can start to mix everything together and let everything hang out. All right, let's cure some space on this griddle for the eggs. I have like 4 to 5 eggs here, and I'm gonna place them right in the middle, which is the hardest part of the griddle for me. All we wanna do here is just give them a good scramble. You can add some butter to the griddle before you add the eggs. That way the eggs will come out fluffy and delicious. And within a couple minutes, the eggs are done, and we are now ready to combine them with the rice, the veggies, and the chicken for that ultimate fried rice experience. Once you've mixed everything together, you can remove it from the griddle. If you're new to backyard barbecue and want a little extra help with cooking times and temperatures, I've got a free guide for you that'll make everything super easy. It covers everything from meats to veggies and is perfect for getting started. Just drop a 100 in the comments below and I'll send it your way. Now it's time to make this dish pop with some garnishing. Grab the sesame seeds and sprinkle them on generously over the top, then add some green onions. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, a drizzle of hot sauce gives it that extra kick. And just look at those colors. Tell me, who's ready to dig in? So now you know how to whip up some delicious chicken fried rice on the Pit Boss Griddle. But wait, there's one secret that can take your backyard barbecue to the next level. Imagine serving up perfectly smoked chicken that melts in your mouth. You won't believe how simple it is once you learn my foolproof method that guarantees juicy, flavorful chicken, even if you're new to smoking. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then click on this video right here to discover how to achieve perfectly smoked chicken every single time. I'll see you there.